Hello, hi. We are here in Post-Surgery Center in Kissimmee, Florida, with one case. A lady that came there because she want to get the fibrosis removed. So tell me, when was your surgery?
My surgery was in October of 2023.
Okay. What is the kind of surgery that you got? Lipo BBL?
Yes, Lipo 360 and BBL
Here in Orlando?
here in Orlando.
Okay. And what happened? So after that, you did massages?
I did 5 massages, but after my massages, I was remained with a lumpy stomach. It was hard, and even when I would move certain directions, it would hurt.
Oh, okay. And well, tell me, where you found out this place?
This place, I found it on Google. It had some reviews, and some of the doctors was even on national TV.
Okay. And okay, so you contact me. We did the consultation, and you did some machinery for this or no? Just massages.
Just massages.
And you found out lumpiness, bumps, and and I saw some seromas, remaining seroma in the lower tummy, right?
Yes.
Okay. So can you tell the girls the experience? We today we finished already the session number 8,
Yes.
right?
Correct.
Okay. So after the 7, how the percentage? How much is the percentage that you think that the fibrosis was removed?
After my 7th, it was 80% of fibrosis gone, and even I had 3 lines on each side close to my belly button, and they were
Right
almost
here?
completely, yes,
And disappeared.
yes, correct.
Yeah, that's what I want to show. She got all the tummy was really lumpy, right?
Correct.
With lines, and you see, it's still swelling. You can see here, but you can see that the lines are gone.
Correct.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what else?
Whenever I moved, I had sharp pains that would cause pain, and it would hurt me, and those pains are no longer there, as well as a long line of like fibrosis bump in my lower abdomen that was removed. It's currently swollen, but it was removed. And yeah, now my stomach looks normal.
Good. Are you happy with the result?
I'm very happy with the results.
Good. And if somebody got a fibrosis, can you tell them that they said that the treatment worth it for you?
Yes, the treatment was definitely worth it. Painful, but worth it.
Absolutely.
It's all a mental battle. So you just mentally focus that it's gonna be gone, and with time, you come with a positive energy, positive vibes, and then just go
Right.
through the pains, and it'll be gone.
Absolutely, yeah. And still, we use products for that to reduce the level of pain, but still the fibrosis is painful by itself.
Correct.
So we will start to work on that. Before you're gonna feel pain, but then, after the second, the third session, the level of pain is going down. So after that, you can tolerate without any problem.
Correct.
Yes, but you know what? The technique is no zero downtime. That's it. That you come from work, or you can go to work.
Correct.
Yes. Okay, so you can drive, you can do normal activity, right?
Yes.
Well, so this is something really good because it's risk free.
Yes.
All right. As I'm suggesting for the girls with fibrosis, do the massage or what you can suggest them.
I would suggest them to come to see you if they have.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Some fibrosis, as well as after, just put some ice for the cooling and for the pain afterwards. Like she said, they're lumps and bumps, so when they're going through your lymphatic drainage, it's going to hurt. But drink a lot of fluids as well.
Great. Thank you for your advice, and I know that all the girls are taking note about that because a lot of people, they want to get the best result after the surgery that where you spend thousands and thousands of dollars, right?
Correct.
Well, thank you for your testimonial. Thank you, dolls. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.